Hi guys, here we are at Claypole level crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe Thorpe. The tamper has left Barnby. I'm presuming I can get this phone switched on. Should be pathetic. Oh, we've got a freight coming. Switch on. We've got 66,732. And here comes the end of 66,732. I'll see if I can get my phone switched on, just in time for the barriers to go up. Up they go. Finally, 12:56 on Friday the 31st of October 2014. And that was for... That was for our 684 Oscar, 1305, expect arrival 12:58. GBRF service from Middleton Towers to Barnby, Dunrock, Glass GBRF. Thank you guys, I'll see you in the next video.